Time now for Jessica Choxy and all the latest motor news.
The closing of Ford's Dearborn assembly plant in Dearborn, Michigan marks the end of an era. And what better way to commemorate this historic event than to take a step back in time to when it all began? The Dearborn assembly plant opened in 1918 and became the cornerstone of Ford's legendary Rouge Center, the most self-contained industrial facility of its time. In 1964, the first Mustang rolled off the line, ushering in the pony car era. On May 10th, the last Dearborn Mustang was driven off the line by Fred Galicki, a 32-year veteran of the plant. Hundreds of employees walked with the car as it reached the end of the line. Now, some 86 years and 6.7 million Mustangs later, the plant is closing its doors for good. Production in Dearborn will continue, however, at the new Dearborn truck plant, which produces the Ford F-150 pickup. The all-new 2005 Mustang will be built at the Auto Alliance International facility in Flat Rock, Michigan. And though change in cars, technology, and production is inevitable, the historic legacy of Ford's first plant will remain. Dearborn Assembly is one of the world's oldest manufacturing plants, and a portion of this plant will be dedicated for historical preservation. And that's it for this week's Motor News.